Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing good. So unfortunately there's some more bad news from Themes ETFs. So it looks like they're getting delayed again. And when I say Themes ETFs, I mean like the option-based ones. So I'm kind of still scratching my head at what's holding them up, because this is the second delay already. So the first delay was like from the May 14th filing, and then this new filing is dated June 12th. So it looks like the next, I guess, like window of opportunity is probably July 12th. But again, these haven't been SEC approved, all that good stuff. And of course, there's no guarantee. And just as a reminder, they have like nine broad-based ETFs, and the rest of them are kind of like more single names. So I'm really looking forward to these, but at some point you gotta you know get them out, and just these are just the signatures from the executives. Just as a suggestion, I guess they don't have to release all 18. I guess like a lot of people are probably more interested in like the broad-based option ETFs first, so maybe release those. Because right now like all the competitors are hustling, especially YieldMax. Like they're doing a good job in terms of like just like releasing like new stuff. Defines kinda sorta, and then also there's Roundhill is getting some traction, and then Granite Shares like filed their like big leveraged yield boost ETF filing. So that could be pretty exciting for some people too. So if these guys don't put out their offering, other people are happy to take away like their market share. So hopefully they can do something. So if you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like and a subscribe. Super thanks are always greatly appreciated. So thank you for watching, and I hope people make some good money out there. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.